Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena.
Elias.
So today we are in the kitchen, as you can see, and we're gonna be cooking, or should I say I'm going to be cooking.
We're gonna be cooking.
You'll be my helper, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be cooking.
I'll help you.
We're gonna be cooking some vegetarian Ethiopian food. It's a little bit confusing because it's actually vegan, but you guys always say veggie.
Yeah, it's veggie, yeah.
They're two different things in English. Vegan and vegetarian is different, but when you're talking about Ethiopian food, vegetarian is vegan.
Vegetarian is vegan, yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna be making some vegan dishes today for all you guys that don't eat meat. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start this gomen because that's pretty easy to do. Alright, so we're gonna be using this organic green kale, which we got from Trader Joe's. This kind is the kind that I prefer, is the one that's kind of curly a little bit, because they have another one, which I'll show you guys. They have another one which looks like this. It's just leaves. Don't get this one. Get the one.
This is not kale.
It is. This is
How did
baby
you get it?
kale. I don't know. So you want this. It's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be nice and like curly. It does say that it's been washed already, but we don't trust them.
To be safe.
Right.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna use one onion. So now I'm gonna grab 2 tomatoes. Of course, everything we use is organic. Wash your 2 tomatoes and then cut them, put them in the pot. Very easy. This is a little bit different from the last gomen video that I made. That one was like plain, we didn't add nothing. This one is much better though, trust me. If you guys like want to eat something healthy, try this gomen recipe. And like we made it up ourselves. It's our very own.
Are you claiming that as your recipe?
It is my recipe.
Come on.
It is. Who did I get it from?
You get it from me.
From you, which means it's mine. Elias, like, he's one of those people that basically, like, the first time he makes something, it is so delicious, then he can't ever make it again.
That's you.
That's you. Literally.
She's telling about her. It's good.
Thank you. My chopping skills are good, huh?
Yeah.
Hulat timatim.
Hulat timatim?
Oh.
Inside.
Inside.
What is inside?
I don't know how to say inside in nobody.
Wust.
Wust.
Brothers to
Wust. Hulat timatim wust.
If you add a little bit barberry, it will be better.
Yeah, right now?
Yeah, do it right now.
Yeah, that's what's on your recipe thing.
So, whose recipe is that?
I mean mine!
That's mine, right?
Definitely.
Your recipe. How did you forget the barberry?
Berbere. This makes everything taste good. And before, when I was a new Habasha, I was so scared of this stuff because it's spicy. It really is.
But the taste is good.
But the taste is good, and now I'm used to it, right?
You used to arguing with me, right?
Yeah, I used to
Why
say,
they
no.
using the barberry? Because their food is not tasty. That's why they just wanna, you know?
Yeah. I used to say, if your food tastes good, then it shouldn't be spicy.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do like 1 teaspoon, and we're gonna add it.
1 teaspoon barberry is not spicy.
Let that cook for a couple minutes. Now you're gonna add your kale right inside the pot, carefully. So you see how full this is? This is actually gonna like reduce by more than half. So when we finish, it's not even gonna be that much. All right, so now after I mixed it up, I'm just gonna cover it and put the heat on low and let that cook until it's like all down.
All down.
And so what should we make next? That was easy. That's it for that dish.
Yeah, I like it. Which one do you want? You pick. Which
brown
one?
lentils.
The brown lentils?
So we have some brown lentils here. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna use 1 cup. Let's wash this. So in cold water. There you go. Naila de baño.
The what?
Putting this on high heat, and I'm just gonna let this boil. I'm checking my gomen because I don't want it to burn on the bottom, right?
Yeah, the smell is...
It smells good.
It smells both.
Does it? Look at that. It's so good.
Look at that, just look at that.
Look at that. It's already so small.
Oh my god.
This is different, and this is kek.
Cook.
Kek.
Split peas.
We're going to make split peas now. Start boiling this one as well. High heat. I guess I'm gonna continue to cut onions while we have everything cooking. The fourth thing we're doing is cabbage and carrots.
Cabbage.
Let's go. Fast forward. Onion clip. Let me show you guys Elias right now.
Wow.
What are you doing
I'm
exactly?
tired.
What are you doing?
Chili.
Chilling.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Promise.
Tired. Right here, look what I'm doing right here.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm checking right here.
Oh my
cooking.
gosh. Really?
Yep. You need to be creative. You know? Look at it right here.
So my misset is finished. I'm just gonna transfer it into a bowl. So I'm just gonna put this in a bowl for now because I need to use this pot again so that I can cook the onion and everything else. And you know what else you could use this for? You could put this inside of sambusa. There you go. I'm also gonna put the split peas in another bowl too. This is exactly how you know you're cooking Ethiopian food. Do you see this? Onions, 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 onions. Every single day. Now we're gonna add jalapeno to the gomen. That's like the last step. Funny thing, these are actually serrano peppers.
Not jalapeno.
Not jalapeno.
Yeah.
But we always say
Serrano
jalapeno.
pepper, yeah.
These are actually much more spicier than
the jalapeno, yeah.
I take out the seeds because we're not that crazy. That just means it's gonna be like Indian level spicy. Ethiopian food is not as spicy as Indian, right?
No.
So now I'm gonna add half of these into the gomen over here. And hulet sos aret. Lastly, for the gomen, we're just gonna add some salt to taste. We always like to add our salt like close to last. Add as much as you want. I'm gonna add some oil in all of these. They just have onion, if you remember. Now I'm adding some berbere. This is for the misir, of course. There you go.
Then water so it doesn't get burnt. That's it.
So that was 3. Now I'm going to add the cabbage and the carrots inside. And the most important ingredient for this is actually turmeric. It's supposed to be kind of like that classic turmeric yellow color. I'm gonna cover this, come over here. How's my misir doing?
Wow.
It needs wuha, it's thirsty, just like you. And also I'm gonna add some turmeric in this one too. This is for the split peas. Mix that together. So we're adding a little bit of garlic to the misir. Yes. Stir that in. That was like 3 or 4 very small cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to add my brown cooked lentils. And then we will stir that together.
Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy.
And I'm gonna add some water. And I'm just gonna let this come to a boil. A little bit more water. Let's check over here on our alicha. Pickle gomen. It's looking good. It's already looking yellow. Let this cook some more. Oh, and over here we're gonna add our split peas as well. Mix that together. Yummy. And just a little bit of water. This one gets covered. Woo! We got all of them covered. It's like a success. Our cabbage and carrots are finished. Pickle gomen. And the way that you tell is by taking a fork, and if it goes inside the carrot like that easily, then it's done. I don't like for it to be like soggy, so that's good. We added some jalapeno too, and then salt. That's literally the last step. Over here on our misud, same thing. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some salt to this as well. You guys know how they try it in Africa? Put it on your hand. That's good. So everything is finished. It only took 3 hours. Plate. We got our injera over here. Nice fresh injera. Elias just bought it today from the Ethiopian store. It's nice and soft. And then you can just tear it into pieces. Let's get some cabbage and carrots. Gomen. Love gomen.
Love gomen.
Love gomen. Put a lot. Our misud. Our split peas. Look at that. Instead of trying it on camera like we always usually do, if you want to see us eating this food and tasting it, then watch the next video because we're about to do a mukbang.
Alright.
Alrighty, so we'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, we're going to talk about everything that's been happening so far. So you guys catch up with us. We'll see you guys tomorrow. That's when it'll be up.
Bye.
Bye.